So I understand that story. You watch this fighting every guy.
Well, I saw the same face that I would have made if I would have been joining, and it clicked, and I was like, shoot.
Okay, I think looking at it, they turn.
I was kind of making a.
Oh my God, I really didn't see that. And you're thinking, I think he's like me.
And it freaked us out. Yeah, it freaked us out at first. We had to talk for about 30 minutes and kind of stuff. And then we kind of had to understand, like, we would go to church on Sunday, once on Wednesday. You have your preacher that you grew up with, your preacher that baptized you, telling you homosexuals are going to run to hell.